Extreme Nature Hunter, and today we're gonna explore the wilderness. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so in the wilderness, there's a lot of things that come out of there. Spiders, tarantulas, snakes, cats. But hey, in my opinion, maybe we're going to explore this part of the woods. See if we can find something very, very interesting. Alright, so we're here in these dense woods. And as you can see, this is a pretty big tree. But what's on the tree? Let's see if I can explore.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Ah, shut up, Karen, man.
You might get poison ivy.
It'll be fine.
He never listens.
Ah, yes. See these plants?
Yeah.
I don't know what they are. But they're white. Now, looks like there's more of these plants growing. Now, let's take a look at the interior. So, what it looks like from now is a tooth. But, how do we squeeze it? Yes. Juices come out of it.
That was disgusting, but okay.
Now, let's see if we can find anything else in these woods. Alright, so we're in another part of these dense, tall woods. And look at this. This flower. It's starting to bloom. But what kind of flower is it? I don't know. And look at this. That is a piece of cactus. Why is it there? I don't know. Can we get a zoom in on that? Alright. Now look at this. It is also a cactus plant, baby. But, it seems like it's not even started blooming yet. Now, let's get over here to this side. Alright, now we're in this part of the woods. And look at this plant. Why does it stick out the most? I don't know. Now, as you see, all these plants doing fine. But over back where we were, it seems there's an animal there. Still don't know what that was. Or that sound. Whew, what's this? An anthill. Yes. It's like ants are harboring this flight. Ant cricket. Let's see if we can chop them down to size. You ready to see something cool or disturbing? Well, I don't care. Let's go. That's odd. There's not that many ants there. They must be moving. And now that'll be it for our adventure to the wilderness. I'm your extreme nature hunter, and I'll see you next time. But before you even click off this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.